Hey everybody, bwcummins here with a quick drawing for you tonight. I was just thinking of drawing at a weird angle, like something at a weird angle, something organic. It's easy to put perspective on geometric shapes, or not easy, but easier. And so I just kind of wanted to draw anything organic, and it just turned into some dude laying with his head towards you and his feet away. And again, that's all it was about today, is just trying to draw in a weird perspective. And you know, it is what it is, quick drawing. So back in the day when and I still do graphic art, but back when I did a lot more graphic art, I would spend the time refining something like this to be exactly what it needed to. And that's one of the things I enjoy about this little channel, is these are just doodles and experiments and messing around. And so I can just explore a concept really quick, and I'm not really worried if it's print ready, perfect, all the line thicknesses and all that. Although that is fun in itself, to come up with an idea that's really drawn and organic, but then refine it to a point where all your line weights are exactly what you want them to be, and all the colors are crisp and blah 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 blah. So I enjoy both, but I really enjoy just coming in with a very little bit of a plan and seeing what happens. And tonight, this is what happened. I don't even know if someone looking at it could tell what it is. I mean, I guess it looks like a figure laying down and with his feet away from you. So let me know what you think of this, and if you guys try something like this, I'd love to see it. Anyway, you can share it with me on Instagram or whatever. I'm bwcummins pretty much everywhere. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye now.